guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this flashlight video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video of like an ocean. You can use anything else you want. Then go up to the library to get this black stock video and just freeze frame it so that you can extend the duration of it. Then select mask here and select circle and reverse that, and I'm just going to feather it out just a little bit and I'm going to resize it. Go to basic and adjust the opacity a little bit so it's not like you can still see it, just like a little though. Go back to mask and start adding keyframes. I'm just going to place it here, and then like maybe I want it to go here, then maybe here, then maybe here, and then maybe like in the middle. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!